Hi everyone, Phil from Prismic here, back again to take you through our new edit button and dev mode feature. This is an exciting feature that we're going to be rolling out in the coming weeks for all of our users, and we're going to dive in and see why this is so useful. So we're back again, we're going to look at my lovely blog that I created before for Manchester United, and in the bottom left corner you're going to see a beautifully styled edit button. And you open it up, and straight away we can see a list of documents. We can see our main document, which is the blog head, and the other documents on the page, which are the blog posts. So this is a little different than the old edit button, because you would just have the one document, you click the button and it's going to bring you there in the repo. With this new feature, your content creators, your publishers, they can quickly go to each of those documents, including the post, straight into the repo. And in the dev mode, we can see the queries that gets this information for the page. We can see the blog home query, the information it returns, and the posts and the information that it returns. So I'm going to give you an example of why this is powerful. So say I'm a content creator. I want to go have a look at the repo for the blog home, and we open up that page in the repo, and directly I spot a problem. I see, hey, we've got this headline, Man United Bible, but that is not appearing in our blog. It should be here. So I pass it to the dev team. They see there's an issue. They jump in the dev mode. We have a look at the query. Okay, headline. We'll have a look. Okay, the information's being delivered correctly, so there's nothing wrong with our query. So I'm just going to copy that path. I'm going to jump over to my editor, and straight away I see there's the problem. It says data.title, but that's not the API ID. So we've got the right path. We can simply paste that in, save, jump back over, and we've got our title. So this means there's no messing about with console log and things like that, trying to figure out if the information is being delivered correctly. If we've got the right names, we're going to know directly on the page itself. And we can also see, if I jump on to one of the blog pages, I've got all my information, and if I go to dev mode, I can see that in the body of the page I have my different slices, all the different things, but I also have my linked document. And the linked document here is from a content relationship field, and the data being returned is the name from that linked document, James, the author. So we can see the power that it shows us, not only the information on the page itself, it shows you all the information from any other queries done on the page and any linked documents from within those queries. So really powerful tool. It's something that you're all going to be excited to get using, and I hope you really get to dig into it. And if you've got any more questions, anything like that, don't be afraid to hit us up on the education team chat support, or in the comments on these YouTube videos. Let us know. Thanks for watching.